Hello, namaste. How are you all? I am fine. Hope the same from your side. If I ask you, who understand you the best? Okay, answer me. Who understands you the best? The answer is you yourself. So, what should be our relationship with ourselves? It should be good, very nice. That means we should love ourselves. So, today onwards, start loving yourself. Yes, start loving yourself. Many times we are unkind or cruel to ourselves. Is it? Yes. Then what we should do? We should stop it. We should stop it. We should stop criticizing ourselves. We should stop punishing ourselves. And we should start loving ourselves. We should listen to ourselves. We should nurture ourselves. And we should follow discipline because discipline gives us true freedom. And we have to forgive ourselves as well. We have to forgive others, no doubt. But we should learn to forgive others as well. Another very, very important thing is we should learn to live in the present. Yes, now, every minute. Love and work are the most precious gifts you can give another. What it is? Love and work. A gift of yourself is the greatest gift you can give another. Ask for help, network. Do not pretend to be in total control. So, you can gift yourself, you can gift others also. That is love and work. And try hard to keep the promises and commitments. Your internal sense of justice will punish all infractions. See, whatever, even if we promise ourselves also, we should keep it up. Otherwise, it is of no use. So, we should love ourselves. Explore the concept of acceptance of self. Whatever I am, I might be dark, I might be tall, I might be short, whatever it is, love yourself. Accept yourself, your body and mind as you are. While trying to improve both, affirm and love yourself as you are today, here, and as you are now, immediately. Accept your whole life as a divine gift. Yes, it is a gift to us from God. Love others. You are the mirror in which all your loved ones see themselves. So how you should be? You should be very loving. And accept your family as they are. Unreal expectation from them. They may harm your relation with them. Whoever, expect whatever as they are. Many times why our relations are spoiled? Because we expect from them more than actually they have. Suppose your partner may not be having that quality. how you can expect from him or her? So learn to accept them as they are. As they are. Because many times what happens is, we expect so many things and we don't get them and we feel sad for that. That is why how we should be. We should be like the children. How our children are, they accept whatever comes, they accept. So we too should develop the child within us. And at the same time, we have to take care of ourselves. Love yourself and give whatever yourself needs. And take breaks to take care of yourself. If you are sick, even then don't go to the office and keep on working. No. Take rest. Go to the doctor. Schedule meetings and dates with the loved ones, friends and all. So you will feel very happy when you meet them. Plan a fun makeover for yourself. And very, very important is forgive yourself and forgive others as well. And many times you might be sad because you might have done some things which you may not be happy with, or you feel sad, or you feel why I have done that, it should not have been done. So you feel sorry for that. Under such condition, write everything on a paper and write that I have forgiven myself for all these mistakes, and then tear it off. See, you feel so nice. In the same way, if someone has committed some harsh things to you, something bad he has done, you might be very angry towards him. You will tell, in my life I may not be able to forgive him and all. Then what you do? Take a paper. Write everything. What all the things he had done and why you feel sad, everything. Write it. And afterwards, tear the paper and tell that person, I have forgiven you for whatever you have done. And if he is toxic, if he is troubling you every now and then what you do? Keep yourself aloof from him. Don't go near him. Why? There is no need. Even if you go near him, you will feel more sad. That is why keep yourself away and you forgive him, doesn't matter, but keep yourself away so that every now and then you won't get trouble from that person. And you are knowing that his life is very short, very short. We don't know when our life is going to end. It might be for moments, for days, for months or years. So, our journey is very short journey. So, why to why to carry the heavy luggage during our journey? No. It is easy to travel light. We know that. So, that is why let us travel light. All the heavy load, what is there in our heart, we will leave it off. We will give it off. We will forgive the persons, whoever it is. Let us forgive and let us ask God to bless us all. I think if we do this, our remaining journey in this life will be much, much easier. Have a good day.